What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to enable chat on your Gmail. As you can see here, I have the Gmail inbox opened in my web browser, and what you want to do is to go to settings here at the top right corner, then tap on it. Then you want to click on see all settings here, and then from the tab at the top here you want to select chat and meet, and you want to enable Google Chat. By default it's turned off, but you can enable it from here. However, the Google Meet chat is enabled by default. So let's check Google Chat here to enable it. Then click on Save Changes. Now, once the page loads up again, the inbox page, you'll see here a chat icon at the tab on the left here. You can find a chat or start a new one. And as you can see here, there is a status indicator here, like any chat, that indicates that I'm active or inactive or like busy to the people I'm chatting with.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.